As a project manager, you understand that successful projects are built on clear definitions, accurate tracking, and efficient financial management. Whether you're billing for hourly services, fixed-price deliverables, or specific products, getting your accounting software set up correctly from the start is crucial. FreshBooks is a popular choice for many independent professionals and small businesses due to its user-friendly interface. A fundamental step in leveraging FreshBooks for your project's financial needs is knowing how to effectively add and manage items. So the question is, how do I add items to FreshBooks? Adding items to FreshBooks is a straightforward process, but understanding the nuances and types of items available will empower you to manage your project finances with greater precision and efficiency. In FreshBooks, items are essentially the building blocks of your invoices and estimates. They represent the services you provide, the products you sell, or any other billable unit that contributes to your project's cost. Let's break down the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently set up your FreshBooks account to reflect your project offerings. Step 1. Navigating to the Items section. First things first, you need to log into your FreshBooks account. Once you're in, look for the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll typically find a section labeled Items or Products and Services. Click on this to access the area where you'll manage all your billable goods and services. Step 2. Creating a new item. Once you're in the Items section, you'll usually see a button that says something like New Item or Add Item. Click on this button to open the form for creating a new billable item. Step 3. Defining your item's details. This is where you give your item its identity and financial value. FreshBooks provides clear fields for you to populate. Name. This is the most important identifier for your item. Choose a clear, descriptive name that your clients will easily understand on an invoice. For example, Project Management Consultation, Website Design Homepage, Content Writing Blog Post, 500 words, or Software Development Back-End Module. As a project manager, specificity here helps avoid confusion and disputes later. Description, optional but recommended while optional. Adding a brief description is highly recommended, especially for services. This provides additional context to your client on the invoice. For project management consultation, you might add strategic guidance and oversight for project lifecycle, including planning, execution, and monitoring. This clarity can prevent client questions and ensure they understand the value they're receiving. Price. This is the core financial value of your item. Enter the standard rate for this service or product. For services, this could be your hourly rate, e.g., 100 per hour, a fixed project fee, e.g., 500 for a specific deliverable, or a per unit cost, e.g., 0.50 per word for content. For products, this would be the selling price of the product. Unit, optional, but crucial for services. This field specifies how the item is measured. This is incredibly important for project managers billing for services. If you're billing hourly, select hour or hours. If you're billing per unit, e.g., per article, per page, per module, you can define custom units like article, page, or module. If it's a fixed price deliverable, you might simply leave the unit blank or use unit. Cost, optional if this item has an associated cost of goods sold, COGS, or a direct expense that you want to track for profitability, you can enter it here. This is more common for physical products, but can also apply if you outsource parts of a service and want to track the internal cost. Tax, optional if your item is subject to sales tax or VAT. You can apply the relevant tax rate you've already set up in FreshBooks. This ensures your invoices automatically calculate the correct tax. Income account, optional, but recommended for financial reporting. This feature allows you to link your item to a specific income account in your chart of accounts. For instance, you might have income accounts like consulting services, software development revenue, or product sales. This helps in generating more detailed and accurate financial reports, giving you better insights into your project's profitability from different service lines.